Today we discuss about rate limiting concept in Laravel. So generally we use rate limiting for controlling the traffic of incoming requests into the application. So we are having main topics like introduction, basic usage, and subtopics like cache configuration, manually incrementing attempts, clearing attempts. So these are all the topics and subtopics in rate limiting. So let's see the introduction. Laravel includes a simple to with rate limiting abstraction which in conjunction with our applications cache. So with the combination of this cache concept we are having a rate limiting concept. So let's see different methods which are available in rate limiting concept. First of all, we see cache configuration. The rate limiter utilizes our default application cache as defined by the default key within our application's cache configuration file. We may specify which cache driver the rate limiter should use by defining a limiter key within our application's cache configuration file. So we use default env of cache underscore store database limiter redis. So we will be mentioning the limiter name, whether it is redis or whatever, and default what kind of cache store we use, database, memcache, like that. Let's see basic usage. Rate limiter facade may be used to interact with the rate limiter. So the simplest method offered by the rate limiter is the attempt method, so which rate limits a given callback for a given number of seconds. So we will be using attempt method like this. Rate limiter :attempt send message user ID per minute equal to 5 function. Within that function, closure function, we will be sending the message. So like this we will be using the rate limiter. Manually incrementing attempts, we will be using too many attempts method. We may use the remaining method to retrieve the number of attempts remaining for a given key. So if a given key has retries remaining, we may invoke the increment method to increment the number of total attempts. If we would like to increment the value for a given rate limiter key by more than 1, we may provide the desired amount to the increment method. For example, rate limiter increment send message user ID amount : 5. So like this we will be mentioning the amount. Determining limiter availability. When a key has no more attempts left, the available in method returns the number of seconds remaining until more attempts will be available. So we will be mentioning the limiter availability like this. Rate limiter, too many attempts, send message user ID per minute equal to 5, and within that if condition we will mention the $seconds equal to rate limiter : available in send message user ID. So like this we will be determining limiter availability. Clearing attempts. We may reset the number of attempts for a given rate limiter key using the clear method. For example, we may reset the number of attempts when a given message is ready by the receiver. So we'll be using like this clear method. Rate limiter double colon clear send message user ID. So like this we will be using different methods that are available in rate limiter for controlling the traffic of the incoming requests into the application. So thank you so much. This is all about rate limiting concept in Laravel. This is Universal Heart Star Ravindar Reddy Yampalla. Thanks to all of my fans, supporters and followers, and special thanks to all of my YouTube subscribers. Thank you so much.